pick, Hailey?
I honestly don't know where we're going. I don't even know where we are.
Here, Brent, come give us a history lesson. This country was created to free Jerusalem.
They made this entire like port city, like, and then Malta became more of a country, its own country, because the Pope declared that it needed to become like a fortress where the Crusaders could go to, and then stop here, go to the Holy Land, stop back, and go back home. It is a Christian nation, very Christian.
Some lady told us to get in a taxi, so we did.
We are in Malta at a fishing market. Yes.
What's our plan?
It's beautiful. We're gonna see all of Malta.
This lady was selling taxi tours, and we just said, sure, we'll go on the taxi tour. What was it, like 100-something euro for?
45 euros a person for 5 hours of our choosing.
Of where to see. And we chose here. Yeah.
The markets.
There's so much stuff I could get for Nana here.
I know. I'm trying to make it sing. I don't know what she's doing.
Oh, it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard.
Lots of nuts.
Lots of nuts.
I thought these were Fig Newtons, but they're hard. They're not.
Oh, it's so soft.
They're not.
Oh, yeah.
You can try John if you like something.
Does it look good or no? Oh yeah. That's funny. There's a mirror here. This one? Okay. Yeah. €4.
Yes. No problem, madam. Try. Prova. Prova. So well.
Both. I'll do two. Thank you. So this is Malta. Malta was one of our last stops on the cruise, and we didn't really know what to do. So as you can see, we just hopped in a van and started off at the fish market. After the fish market, our next stop was Dangali Cliffs, something like that. It was just absolutely beautiful. And then we went to the Blue Grotto. So you'll see us here. We're going swimming, but they didn't have the boats running because it was too windy. So we ended up just walking down this little path that the driver took us to. and it led to the water that you could swim in. It's usually where the boats are hanging out and the people get on to go on the little Blue Grotto boat ride. But since the boats weren't running, we just went swimming there. But it was really nice.
There's the water.
Let me get some on my tummy.
Brent.
I'm pushing the water back to the sea. It needs to go back to its family.
Hailey. Do you think it's deep enough for me to jump?
I don't know. Look. I'll get in on the ladder. You see it? Like,
Do you think it's deeper back there? I think this is. I'm just nervous. Maybe if I sit down.
Are you doing it? You just jumping?
Yeah, but I don't want to jump if it's too low.
Well, Brent, make sure she's okay to jump.
Do like a belly flop, like now. Oh, that was low. That was low. It's cold. Okay, show us what you have so far.
I have octopus. I have turtle. And I have the turtle wants a coral. Pufferfish goes around here. I'm an aquarium. Did you make it? No. 20 degrees colder.
You can float!
I don't know, but there was literally no. Oh, they did it!
Oh, they're gonna get out.
I don't like it. I don't like it. What are we doing? What do we do? You just float. You just float.
Those 5 hours just flew by so fast because next thing we know, we are in the city of Medina, the completely walled city. My phone's about to die. The GoPro's long been dead. I need gelato more than anything in the world, and we're all sunburned. Our day in Malta went so fast because we just had such a wonderful time and there was so many cool things to do. I mean, just look, we're just walking around. Like, we have no plans. We're just walking, and everything is so absolutely gorgeous. You know, the second that I saw this gelato shop with a little koi fish on the handles, I was down to get some. I got plain vanilla and it was delicious. After this, we just walked around the city area near the cruise port, got some amazing seafood dinner, and then more gelato, of course, and went back to the ship. But thank you guys so much for watching. I had such a fun time filming this with my family. I love bringing you guys along on my trips, showing you everything that we got to do, and I love watching these after. So I kind of put these up here for myself too sometimes. So if you enjoyed it, definitely subscribe so you can come along with us next time. And if you liked it, please put a like up. It makes me so happy when I see little likes next to my videos. Thanks, guys. See you next time.